Okay, so this is our sign. We've got to pick it up, move it down the road. Road plan ahead. Good enough. Right, so this is the M series grader we're in right now. Okay. Normally what happens is I get a steering warning alarm, so I have to steer it just here. Bring the oil back through, wake up the steering, I call it. The blade lift, pull back on either lever, I'll show you in a second. The rippers that's here, so this little lever here, go up. I don't know if you can see that, down, up. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I'll give you a quick rundown. My steering here, left hand, blade side shift, right hand, circle, twist it, right, the safest way to travel, and then up and down is here, go up and down the levers, see? So twist, I travel like that. Because I travel, obviously you drive down the road on the left hand side, any traffic comes, it'll hit my blade and be pushed away from the grader, not into it. That's basic grading 101. Okay, so the other thing I do actually, I'll show you what I do. I set my throttle, so this switch over here is a throttle lock or auto lock, so to about 1500, push that quickly. Same as a bulldozer, that sets your RPM, those two switches. Right, so now I've got no throttle, I can relax my foot. It's in 1400 RPM, which is alright. Third gear forward, let the clutch out slowly, same as a car. And we're away. And then the gears are here, so I'll clutch in. It's a power shift, but I use the clutch anyway, just to help it. Right, so we're actually on the move. I'm in a hurry. I'm under a little bit of pressure. Probably self-imposed pressure, but yeah, I mean, this road's not safe to drive on at the moment. There are some wicked cuts in it. 2 gears at a time. Get some speed up. And top gear, 8th. Here we go. Now I've had road train come down here and drop some dirt for me. I needed the dirt because a lot of it, because of the rain, got washed out into the bush. And it take too long and too hard to, well, it's not too hard, but it takes too long for me to bring it back, put it back on the road. plus I'd have to take out a lot of trees to do it. So I've just put some more gravel on the road, or I had some gravel put on the road for me. Also a little bit articulated. You'll notice the nose, like you're probably thinking, why am I pointing off the road? Well, because I'm articulated a little bit. Probably about 500 mil, half a metre. I'm getting that right today. Wow, look at the propellers. Far out. That's like, oh, that'd be nearly 260 mil. Must be around 300 mil diameter. I'm actually a tradesman, but I'm a mechanic by trade. Heavy duty diesel mechanic, Caterpiller trained. Anyway, I'll cut this out and meet you further down the road. We've got about 10 k's to go. Okay, so here's an example of some dirt I've had tipped off. You see vehicles have been running up the back slope to get around this washout. This one isn't that bad. There are been a lot worse. I've had to do dozens of these on this road. Anyway, come with me, I'll show you. Right back from the grader. That one's gone. All good operators look after their machine. Oh, and this door catch is playing up. Get that fixed. Alright. Palm brake off. Then I'm going to do this. Bolt there and across at the moment. Forward and reverse is on the front like a trigger. This is just like playing a PlayStation if you're into those sort of things. Actually, now's my chance to get that chrome. I'll try and get that. up on the way home. That's here. Oh, you see, hydraulics have locked out. Steering, it does that. So I steer, bring my steering back, and then release the power brake. We're away. I check my mirrors before turning in case of oncoming traffic. You know, I just wipe someone off the road if I turn across in front of them. Deep. Slowly lift. Check my mirrors again. Check oncoming traffic. See, this is sort of my day. I'm out here on my own 12 hours. I've actually got my blade rolled forward a little bit. That cuts the road. You do that with this, roll it backwards and forwards. Kicking out the rocks. Still got one little bit of a run on that front. Basically spreading the dirt out. Done now. Okay, so that's basically done now, that washout. We'll go on to the next one. So I'll pick up the speed. I'll talk to you then. Alright, here's the next one. Excuse the wind noise for a second. Now this floodway, when the water was flowing, like I'm 5'8", so that's about 5 foot off the ground, my hand. Water was this high flowing through here, and like I said, it's not as steep as it is over east, but it's the same rainfall that caused all this damage. There's water around because there's wasps around. But basically this is the catchment area for the Granith River, and out between Dalgaranga and Austin Down stations. And she's not as steep, so it doesn't flow, the flow rate's not as much, so it doesn't cause as much damage, but it does do damage. Yeah, so I've just got to pick up, excuse the wind, the cones, get them off the road, and I'll fill in some of this damage for now. I'm trying to do the job as quick as possible, and then I'll come back and finish it off. But like I said, I've got to go to the airport next week. Got airport duties. Oh, I'm under the pump, I tell you. I'm just sticking these cones over here. I can't carry anymore. I'm full. I've got tourists coming. There's been one in front of me. Oh, he's had 2 blowouts. There's no tyres left on the rims. Fix this up. This is the last one to do, then I'm going to go back about 30 k's and start grading the whole entire road, which is 80 k's long. So yeah, I've got my work ahead of me. Yeah, next week summons to the office for airport duties, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright, take care. In la cash. Woohoo!